YouTube, what's going on? We got another day in the life video as a car dealer here in North Carolina. We got a lot going on today, guys. There's a lot happening. We got some cars we need to sell. We got some cars we have to fix. We got some cars we have to buy. So there's a lot going on. It's gonna be a whole story today, a whole movie. So let's get straight to it. Zeus, we gotta say to the people, man. Like the vid. All right. But yeah, here's the lineup right now. I'm not gonna go through everything, but it's what it's looking like right now. Everything's over here and there and outside. So we got a lot of cars moving and grooving. We need to clean up this mess that the dogs made. The complete tour, whatever this was, tore it up. So we need to go ahead and clean this up and we'll keep on with the day. All right, while I was looking for the gloves so I can go pick up all that mess that the dogs made, forgot to let you guys know, if you guys didn't see the last video actually, Dakota gave birth. So now there's a bunch of babies in here. So boom. Hi, Dakota. Hi. Y'all see all the babies? She had 7. Well, she had 8. Unfortunately, one of them passed away. So it's just 7. Hi, Dakota. Good Dakota. There you go. Close that up. Let them do their thing. But yeah, so Dakota gave birth to 8 of them. And 1 died, unfortunately. So now there's 7. So now we have a total of 10 dogs here at the lot. And all of them are up for adoption. Trying to get them a new home. Wine in the cut.
What's going on, YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you guys know anybody that can fix door handles? Hit me up ASAP.
ASAP, no Rocky.
ASAP, like
Right now.
as soon as the video posts, like hit me up.
Right now. We'll put his phone number right here. Call him. Text him.
For real.
But yeah, he got the Hyundai Sonata. So when they stole it, they broke the door handle. And unfortunately, we're trying to find the piece. Was the piece the inside? Or?
Yeah, it's like the inside of the door piece. It's supposed to connect to the door handle.
If y'all got that piece or you know somebody that can fix it, y'all let us know. Y'all know where we're at, so please help us out. Also, if you want the dogs, come take the dogs. I see a lot of you guys say, I keep saying these in the videos and I don't respond to the comments. I read the comments, but nobody pulls up. I put my number up here. I'll put my number up right now. Boom. Nobody messages me. Well, y'all message me, then y'all don't come. So the dogs just chill here. If you want the dogs, message me. Come get them for free. It's free. People keep asking me how much. It's free. Just take them. Take the dogs.
They gotta go.
Yeah, they gotta go. They can't be here. Look, I'm about to clean up their mess right now. So come get the dogs. We need the dogs gone. And boy, Ein, he's about to wash this Civic right here. It's a Civic SI. That's a nice color. So that's a nice car. He's about to wash it up. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna go clean up that mess, and we'll see what's next. All right. Got the glove on. No. Zeus, no. I'm about to clean up this mess the dog's made. We'll go from there. Zeus, please move. Zeus, please move. Let me work. No, Zeus, stop. I'm cleaning it up, so stop. Stop. Move. No, it's not time for that. Zeus! Get out of the trash. There you go. So, got everything basically cleaned. Now I'm gonna go on to the next thing. All right. And here's the inside of the car. Show you guys it before. It's all dusty and crusty. So, there's a rear. That's what we're looking like. Yeah, it's dirty, but Ein's gonna do his thing. All right, boom. That's what the car's looking like. Just got done. Where Ein did his thing. Inside's looking like. There we go. It's not ready for pictures, so we can take the pictures and go from there. All right, we are on the way to take pictures of this car that Ein just cleaned. And unfortunately, the tire light is on, but I filled up the tires. I'm thinking maybe once we hit the road and start driving, it'll reset and turn off, hopefully. Because I know a lot of customers don't like it. So let's go ahead and see. All right, we just pulled up to the spot where we take pictures at, and the light did turn off. So now let's go ahead and turn on the lights and the fog lights. Now we can take the pictures. That's what the car is looking like. So let's go ahead and take the pictures now. All right, y'all, we made it back to the shop. There's the car right there. I already posted the pictures. Post them right here. So this car is done. Inspection's done. We washed it. We posted it. It's done. Now we're just gonna park it, wait for a customer to come, and now we go work on the next car. I'm gonna work on this Honda CRV. We'll give it a quick wash, and then we'll take the pictures as well. We got the boy working on the Miata. So quick vacuum, wash, and then go ahead and take the pictures for this car. So let's get it. All right, y'all, change of plans real quick. So I was vacuuming, but unfortunately the vacuum wasn't like really grabbing anything. It was like super weak. So now I thought of it, like I've been meaning to change this vacuum, like the dust inside of it, for a long time. I finally opened it up. This is the first time I've opened it up since I've been here. And look at this. All right, this thing is jam-packed. So we need to go ahead and clean this out, and hopefully this will help the vacuum suck in better. So go ahead and clean this out, and we'll see if it works. All right, we got a shovel. Get busy. All right, gang. Unfortunately, that did not work. I thought it would. I don't know. I don't even want to deal with it, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go to Zips. It's a local car wash, drive-through car wash. Drive through it, use their vacuums. They got good vacuums. Wipe it down, take the pictures. Just gotta keep it pushing. We can't waste too much time on this type of stuff. Time is of the essence. And the most important thing you have is what? Not your time, it's your energy, actually. People always think your energy, actually no, people always think your time is the most important thing. But it's actually your energy. Because think about it. If you were to wake up and say you woke up at 9 a.m., okay? And from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., you work the job, right? And that job is super grueling, construction or whatever. Something's very, very difficult. For like 3 hours nonstop, you're just drained. And once you get off at 12 p.m., you still have the rest of the day, but you're drained. You can't do anything. You have the time, but you don't have the energy. So energy is the most important thing. Because once you run out of energy, it's very, very, very difficult to get it back unless you go to sleep or go do something else. But energy, one of those things you can't get back. Even if you have the time to go do something, it's the energy that you need to actually really do it. So protect your energy at all costs. Anyway, life is energy. I can go on a whole tangent about this type of stuff, but everything is energy. Just if you understand that, and Nikola Tesla said that too. If you understand everything in the ways of energy, then you can understand the universe. So think on that. I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the CRV, go to Zips, keep it pushing. Let's go. All right, hop in the CRV. Let's get it going. Go straight to the car wash this car up, come back, take the pictures, post it, keep it pushing. So now we're going through Zips, do a quick wash outside, and we'll vacuum the inside real quick, wipe it down, keep it pushing. And we'll take the pictures, and that's it. This car should be ready for sale. So let's go through it. All right, outside is done. Let's do the inside real quick, and we can go take these pictures. Now these got some power to them. All right, y'all, got done with Zips. Now we're heading back to the shop. All I did was vacuum here at Zips and wash the outside. I'm gonna go to the shop and not vacuum. I'm gonna wipe down the inside and everything, put on the tire shine, and then we'll be ready for pictures. Let's go handle that. All right, y'all, boom, we got it. It's secured. Now let's go ahead, wipe down the inside, put on the tire shine, and then we can take the pictures. All right, and just like that, tire shine is on. This car is ready for pictures. I'm gonna grab the floor mats and we'll be good to go. All right, final touches. Boom. And boom. So there you go. Now ready for the pictures. Let's go ahead and do the pictures and we'll come back and see how they came out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the white Q50 we have outside just so we can keep it moving quick. I have nothing else really to do right now. I have a video that's processing. So while we wait on that, might as well clean the car, get things moving. So I'll go ahead and get started on that. So here's a Q50 that we're gonna be washing. That's low-key tough with Zeus in it. My boy photogenic. I bet. So now we're gonna go ahead, hop in, clean it out, and then this car will be ready for pictures. So let's go ahead, move it up there, and see what's next. So there's the before. Not even that bad, but let's go ahead and do this one. Yeah, it's not even bad. They took care of this car. Hey, but last video, you're supposed to give a hadith of the day.
Hadith of the day?
Anything? Any quote? Something?
Oh, let me think.
Yeah, we put him on the spot.
Oh, yeah, put him on the spot. Come back later, come back later.
And you never came back to it, bruh. What's the hadith of the day? Or should we come back? If we come back, we actually have to come back.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we're actually gonna come back for this one. We're gonna come back for this one. We're not gonna forget. Go ahead, take this out. Let me get a nice vacuum in. We got a quarter. We're a quarter richer. Alright. Ha. Another quarter. And a dime. And another dime. See, you buy cars, you get rich.
Have you tried dates with cucumbers?
I've seen people do that, but I never had it.
Yeah. I didn't like the hadith. I was like that sooner.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Well, there's the hadith.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Y'all heard it. We'll pop it up on the screen too. Make sure it's authentic. Alright, boom. There you go. We did the tire shine. We cleaned the inside. Y'all can see, put the floor mats in. Inside is looking fresh and clean. Now we're just gonna do the outside. And after the outside, there's a little piece that we're gonna install. It should be here today from Amazon. But this piece right here. So we'll go ahead and install that. And once we install that, it'll be ready for pictures. And we can go take the pictures. There you go. You got the white and the blue. So the blue one just fits right here. So this just goes in here. There you go. That completes the look. You can take the pictures. The only problem is that missing sensor, but that'll be alright. Not easier. There you go. Now completes the look. We'll take these pictures. They should come out good. Alright, now let's go ahead and take pictures of this Q50 and we can post it and then we'll keep it pushing. Alright, we're pulling into a spot where we take pictures at. Let's go ahead and get these pictures cracking and I'll show you guys how they come out. Alright, lights on as always. Sunroof open. Let's go ahead and get busy. Alright, I just got back to the shop. I'll show you guys how the pictures came out right here. We just took pictures of that white Q50. Now I'm going to take pictures of the blue one and we'll keep it pushing. Alright, some customers came to test drive the Honda Civic. So I'm going to test drive that. I just posted that car today, so I don't know. Maybe they'll get it, maybe not. But I'm going to take pictures of this Q50 and then we'll see what's next. Hadith of the day or what?
We said earlier, the cucumbers.
I don't know if we count that.
There's another hadith. I don't know the exact wording, but Allah judges you based off of your intentions.
That's true. That's true. We'll put up that hadith too. Boom. Yeah. There you go. That's true. Look. Whoa. Okay, there you go. The car sounds good. This is a sport. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take these pictures. And we'll keep it pushing. Alright, we took pictures of the car. I'll show you how they came out right here. And now we can go ahead and post both these Infiniti Q50s and we'll see from there. Alright, we posted both of the cars. If you're interested in any cars that I have, definitely message me with the number up here. Or you can just check out the website and call if you're interested in anything I have. And everything I do is cash. I don't touch interest. I don't do financing. Just because it goes against my religion. And I just don't touch those things. But yeah, everything I do is cash. So any car you see, it's a cash sale. I don't finance, unfortunately. So there's that. All these other cars still need to get worked on. I literally stopped buying cars just because there's too many cars. And unfortunately, the bottleneck in my business right now is the body shops. So it really didn't make sense for me to keep on buying cars when we have so many cars that are still not ready, still waiting for the body shops. So I need to figure out a system to where I can continuously keep buying cars, but then, you know, still have cars coming from the body guys. Really just the body guys that are holding me up. So it is what it is. If there are any body guys nearby here in Charlotte, Concord, Kannapolis area, definitely reach out to me. Let me know. I'll put my number up. My number is everywhere. My number is going to be in the description. My number is everywhere. Message me. Let me know. Message me. Do not call me. If it's, I do not answer. 9 times out of 10, if it's a random number, I'm not picking up. Okay? So just message me. Let me know what's cracking. Let me know if you can work. Oh, and by the way, for that Civic that the customers came to test drive, Ian said that they're going to come back tomorrow to buy the car. They liked it. So they said they're going to come back tomorrow to get it. We'll see. And I guess you guys will see in the next video. But with that being said, I'm not going to record too much more of me organizing the lot. It's just boring. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.